Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If the mean of the following data is 35.1 and the sum of all frequencies is 100, then what is the value of y? So we know to find the mean of a grouped data, what we need is multiplication of frequency and midpoint of each class. So let's make another row named class midpoint, that is M. Class midpoint of first class is 0 plus 10 by 2, which is 5. For second, it's 10 plus 20 by 2, which is 15. Third is 25. Fourth, 35. Then 45. Then 55. And then 65. Now let's make another row where we multiply frequency of each class with its midpoint and write the value of multiplication here. This is given as 100 total. Total of all the frequencies is given as 100. So let me write it here. Total equal to 100. Yes, and now let's find the multiplication. 10 into 5 is 50. 18 into 15 is 18 5s are 90. 18 1s are 18 plus 9 is 27. So 270 25x. This 18 multiplied by 35. 18 5s are 90. 18 3s are 54 plus 9 is 63. So 630. This is 450. This is 55y. This is 17 5s are 85 and 17 6s are 102. 17 6s are 102 plus 8 is 110. So this is 1105. So let's see what's the total of all these multiplications. Let's see. So 50 plus 270 is 7 plus 5 12, so 320. 320 plus 630 is 20 plus 30 50. And 6 plus 3 9, so 950. 950 plus 450 is 50 plus 50 100, so 900 plus 500 is 1400. Now 1400 plus 1105 will be 2505. So we have 2505 plus 25x plus 55y. This is the total of all the multiplications frequency multiplied by midpoints. Now we know mean of a group data is given by summation of all f into m divided by summation of all f, which is equal to, let's see, summation of all f is 100 and summation of f into m is 2505 plus 25x plus 55y, and this is given as 35.1. So we have 2505 plus 25x plus 55y equal to 3510. So we get 25x plus 55y equal to 3510 minus 2505, which is equal to 1005. So 1005. Now we are also given that sum of all the frequencies is 100. So let's see, 10 plus 18 plus 10 plus 18 plus x plus y. Instead of this, I'll just write sum of all frequencies given as 100. Let me name this equation 1. Now 10 plus 18 is 28. 28 plus 18 is 46. 46 plus 10 is 56, and 56 plus 17 56 plus 17 is 73. So let's see, we have therefore 73 plus x plus y equal to 100. So we get x plus y equal to 100 minus 73, which is equal to 27. Therefore, what we can say, we have to find the value of y, so we can just replace x here. Let's see, therefore x equal to 27 minus y. So let's put this in equation 1. Put value of x in equation 1. So what we get next is, let's see, 25 into 27 minus y, no, 55 plus 55y equal to 1005. Now 25 into 27, so we have 25 sevens are 175, 25 twos are 50 plus 17, 50 plus 17 is 67, so we have 675 minus 25y plus 55y equal to 1005. So we get 55y minus 25y is 30y equal to 1005 minus 675. So we have, let's see, 530y equal to 1005 minus 675 is, let's see, 550. We have 10 minus 7 3, so this is 330, which gives us y equal to 11. So let's look at the options. Yes, answer is option A.